Hey, how's it going guys? Stefan is here. Welcome back for another video. In today's video I have two microphones which we'll listen right now. So we have the Tonor TC30 and Riiai microphone. The both microphones are already did a review, so I'm going to leave the links in the descriptions down below, so if you want to check yourself. So Tonor, quite popular microphone on the market. Also probably you never heard about this brand before. A Riiai microphone. Last time I said a lot of negative stuff about this microphone, but actually it's not too bad because we have a couple of features which are missing on the Tonor price range. The Tonor is about 37 British pounds in UK. The Riiai you can find it about 25 British pounds as well. So yeah, let's start with the video. We're gonna compare both microphones, which sounds better. Let's start with the Riiai microphone. Alright, so let's start with the Riiai microphone. So this is the sound from the Riiai microphone. So as you can hear right now, the volume is about 75%. Also, we have a echo mode, which I will try right now. So this is the echo mode. I talked about this feature last time. So let's switch it off. So this is the sound from Riiai microphone. So let me be closer. Also, the microphone comes with a stand, quite plasticky, obviously cheap, but it's not bad. We'll do the thing, and if you decide to buy something more professional. Also, we have a mute button. Probably you can hear me right now, so the mute button works pretty good. Also, we have the volume control for the headphones, because we have a headphone jack as well. Again, this is a plus. We have quite good features for 25 British pounds, in my opinion. Also, the microphone comes with the two wind screen foams. I like the blue one. The blue one looks pretty good as well. But yeah, I mean the microphone is not bad. You know, I said a lot of bad stuff about the microphone, but for 25 British pounds, I think it's a good microphone. You can use this microphone for different variety occasions. You can use this microphone even for Zoom calls, for Skype. Why not? So yeah, this is the sound from Riiai microphone. Let's hear now the Tonor TC30. Alright, so now you're listening the Tonor TC30 condenser microphone. So let me know, what do you think? Which microphone sounds good for you? Do you like the Riiai microphone or do you like the Tonor better? In my opinion, both microphones are nice. I know I said a lot of bad stuff about the Riiai microphone, but it's not bad actually. With 25 British pounds, still is a good microphone. It's going to be better than your built-in mic of your camera, laptop, and smartphone as well. So not bad. Plus we have a couple of cool features. So on the Riiai microphone, there's no any features on the Tonor microphone. Unfortunately, there's no any knobs, any controls, any mute buttons, nothing. In my opinion, this is. I mean, if you need just plug and play microphone, I think Tonor is gonna be okay for you. The Riiai microphone is not bad as well. We have headphone jack, we have volume controls, we have lights, mute button. So either way, more important is which sound do you like better. Do you like the Tonor or do you like the Riiai microphone? So this was just a quick video comparison between these two microphones. So let me know in the comments down below, what do you think, which microphone do you like better. So I believe this is for today. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video. This will help the algorithm for YouTube to show this video at least for 4 or 5 people. So with that being said, thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video. See ya.